Hey kids, it's great to see you again. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Dad. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Tater Tot breakfast casserole.
Did he say tots?
But first, I have a dad joke for you. So what do they call tater tots in middle school? Tater teens. So anyway, let's get started.
First, you want to chop one large onion, and you want to use about 1 to 2 pounds of breakfast sausage. It's up to you as far as how much you want to add, but that's what we're going to do. And then you just brown that over medium heat for about 10 minutes. You just want to make sure that the meat is thoroughly cooked. Now you want to coat a 16 by 9 dish with some cooking oil. Now we're going to completely cover the bottom with tater tots.
Tots.
More tots. Now crack 10 eggs in a bowl, and you can mix them ahead of time or just go ahead and add your cream. Now we're going to add about 1 1/4 cups of half and half, and then we're going to mix that all together. Add some ground pepper to your liking. Add some salt if desired. There will be some salt from the cheese that you add later, so that's completely up to you. Now stir that in good. Now we're going to add some chopped yellow pepper, green pepper, and red pepper, and this is optional, of course. Now stir that together. Now layer the sausage mixture over the tots and spread evenly. Now add about half of the bag of cheese. Now pour the egg mixture over the top, and you want to try to do this as evenly as possible to get the eggs throughout the whole casserole. All right, and just make sure it's spread evenly. It's looking amazing at this point, and then what do we got to do? We got to add some more cheese. Now we're going to cover it with aluminum foil, and that you can put it in your fridge to cook the next morning, or you can go ahead and cook it right now. Next, you would bake it in a 375-degree oven, covered like this, for 20 minutes. Then we're going to pull it out of the oven, remove the foil, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. And here it is, all bubbling and hot and juicy. Looking good. Enjoy.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. It turned out really good. Unfortunately, I didn't show you me cutting it or anything. I was kind of in a hurry, and I was making it to take somewhere actually. So we ended up putting it in the fridge overnight, and then the next morning we actually baked it. And then I just captured the enough video to show you how to make it though. So hopefully that'll empower you to try it. You can, leave out different things or add things, whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you a way to make this. You can add bacon. I've seen people do that. You can leave out the peppers, whatever you want to do, you make it your own, but those are the basic steps and the basic ingredients. So I hope that was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and God bless you.